Preventive maintenance has discussed here. The here covers all the plant maintenance works, whether major or minor, regardless of whether the plant is running or shut down. The selection of what shall be done as a part of the preventive maintenance program and how often it shall be done in one of the most important factors affecting corporate maintenance. If you are joined in the maintenance of any production company, you will get a lot of things to learn. Okay. If you are working in the production only, you will get only operate only one machine or maybe some other machine, but you will remain in the only production operator. And you have to produce only 8 hour production. This is the if you are joined in the maintenance department, engine department, you will get a lot of things to learn every time. But you have to sacrifice. Sunday and all you will not get holiday. There will be a big job only during shutdown. If there is a breakdown, you have to repair it and you have to give it. You can't leave it and you can come back home. You have to finish their job and you have to come back. This is it. Some emergency, you have to be there. But in production, you have to do only 8 hours. Shift delivery, you have to wait for another 8 hours. But the machine has to run. This is the way. Where after you are finishing this course, when you are going to join, which type of department you want to join, it's up to you. So in some plants, this is being done with the individual shifts or production boards using equipment, manufacture, recommendation, and the limited experience of the plant person. Mostly fitter and electrician, they are taking in the maintenance department. Electrician only in maintenance department, but fitter, production and maintenance department. But in maintenance department, you have to work hard. There is no adjustment. Flexibility thing kind. There is no excuse in it. You have to do. However, the demand for the plant operation attention often prevent time maintenance. Another defect is that it lacks uniformity and does not provide compliance report to home office management. And there is often no effective way to compare the preventive maintenance performance at similar plant or equipment at different locations. You cannot compare also. Yeah, plant at that you cannot compare. Every machine is a separate industry, different industry. There is often no effective way to compare the preventive maintenance performance of the similar plant or equipment at a different location. Most important of all, equipment fail uses may occur because the proper consideration and judgment is not given to the maintenance items, whose significance is the best understood by qualified specialists. Now, if it's the maintenance source, I have given the best example of your maintenance plus how the industry maintenance work is good. Now, next term is the total productive maintenance. Now, what is by TPM? In this thing, business language, MBA people and all, they will prefer this type. The MBA people, they are joining administrative company, whatever company use the type of, because they have to follow this type of term, like TPM means total productive maintenance. After relation, they will give us that have you done the TPM concept, maintain they refer why? Because they have to save the money and show the maximum profit to the company. Business management focus is they have to save the money and give maximum profit to their company. So take company these are the concept follow they will monitor. Have you maintained the total productive maintenance concept? Then concept there is a profit. See, the TPM aims to maximize the overall effectiveness. So good machine is a equipment effectiveness so फायदा और तो निर्लज विराज this man get lost boss आपकी शांति समझ तेरी वैल्यू ना if you don't want to listen leave it go पेपर करत ना फालतू अदर सारखी चल लगे ठीक है दादा के चलते हैं तू जाएगा निदाप की चले and तुम के शांति कळटा मला तू एक तू कळना लवस उसको मैनुअल want to continue त्यांना तू इंग्रजांना तू सोडल वस म्हणजे मम्मीचं सांगा आणि कोणा बेजा यायला रे? Whatever I speak, true or not? Then why are like this? What do you want to do at least? What do you want to prove your करपा जाय? सांग म्हाका. करपा नाका leave. आज जाल्यार आयजूच. 1 hour you can't. But don't spoil their mood also. Angular spoil तू पहिले मग ते कशा करतलो? एक टमाट उसला तू मरे जरा बाकीची टमाटातील होगरा म्हणूंगा कॉमन एग्जांपल एक काम कानून तुम्हाला कुसला कान्या भितर बोलून तो टँक तो सगळा रोग ऑल गेट स्पॉइल तो मग तसं लागा तू सारखे बाकीचे आपण तुझा राव ना दिस इज अ एग्जांपल एक भुरगो सगळ्या वाटतो तसेच ते वेजिटेबल एक्झाम्पल एक आली ना ते काय खूप समज तसं एन्व्हायरमेंट क्रिएट करपाक तू सांगणार खूप समज त्यांनी पैसे दाखवायला तू तुझी खाणं क्लीन कर आणि राव अगेन रॉंग उलयता रे तुला म्हाका सांगा is anything wrong क्या बोल रहा मैं हम तो उसका वैल्यू को होतो हार्बिट का ना सारखं वैल्यू मानत होतो बेस्ट जाय तसे ना बोला ना तू वे कॅश करतो ना ते कपडे पाच तुझे का चेंज करतो शर्ट कपडे झाले बोलला आहे अनेक एक्स्ट्रा क्लॉथ दिला मग So TPM aims to maximize the overall equipment effectiveness. This technique was established. So establish a complete system of productive maintenance for the machines, equipments. Entire lifespan is implemented by the various departments. Complete say easy system करपाक सगळे डिपार्टमेंट आपल्या full 100% दितात. कळलं? Complete system of productive maintenance for the machine, equipment, entire lifespan is implemented by various departments. Engineering, operation, maintenance, quality, and administration. So to get this total productive maintenance, this all engineering is the main department, then operation, maintenance, quality, and administration. So they are working out on how they can save the money, improve the productivity. Total productive maintenance. The TPM can be considered as a medical science of machine. Say the body example दिले पण ते मी तसे जे TPM जे आहे it's considered as a medical science for the TPM can consider the medical science of machines. So TPM involves every single employee from top management all the on the shop. So total productive maintenance means what? It's a chain of its it involves all the manpower from people level. Money is a owner of that company. Stage level asa. Person who is doing sweeping, housekeeping also no. The age will be part of that system. Because everyone working for the same company and their motive is that. Because people can kata you have to maintain business. Business is सगळे बरं होतं. तसेच बाकीचे मॅनेजर आणि कोण असतात ते ऑडिटर क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट सगळे जे डिपार्टमेंट आहे इंजिनिअरिंग ऑपरेशन मेंटेनन्स क्वालिटी ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑल डिपार्टमेंट वर्किंग फॉर द सेम टू गेट अ क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट अँड गेट अ कस्टमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन जे प्रोड्यूस केले आयटम कस्टमर धाडटा पळय इफ दे आर सेंडिंग अब्रॉड जर्मनी थिंगा ते एक्सेप्ट परत येवपा जायना इफ रिटर्न बॅक येयले जाल्यार देर इज लॉस परत तेजे रिवर्किंग जाता आनी लेबर लागता आनी कॉस्ट वाडटा तेका लागून तेन्ना ते स्टडी करून मिस्टेक आनी सारकी क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट डिलिव्हर करता सो क्वालिटी करपाक सगळे मशीन बिशीन सारखे आसतात मशीन सारखे नसले द प्रोडक्ट बरं जाता म्हणून दे आर वर्किंग अँड दिस TPM इज अ called a medical science of the machine. See, every single employee from the top management, all the operators on their shop floor. सगळे machine operator are सगळे तिथे मिळतात. So TPM rises to implement the productive maintenance based on the autonomous small group activity. So this TPM first group, they make what? Register implement product involves every single employee. The TPM register implements productive maintenance based on the autonomous small group activity. बारी group activity करून घेतात. एक थोड्याशा ग्रुपा एक काम त्यांची ओव्हरऑल माहिती सगळे काम एक करतात एक करतात. So they are focusing only on that particular job. So TPM is a maintenance program which involves a newly defined concept for maintaining plant and equipment. So this is a new type program which involves newly defined concept for maintaining plants and equipment. The goal of TPM is to increase production while at the same time increasing employee morale and job satisfaction. This is also important. So machine very extend increase the production water at the same time increasing the employee morale means what? You are the employee. Machine run you are the employee. Machine वर चलता है बस class ना your morale will be always high. पर change पर मट्टा पर बैग राल पटा पर class की जाता है disturb होता है. Employee morale